Hi everyone, just a quick little tutorial on how to animate your sprite and moving them with your arrow keys. So I'm just going to leave the scratch cat for today. You can feel free to choose any sprite that you wish by coming down here to the bottom, and in the scratch area you can choose a sprite, and you can choose from any type of sprite that you'd like. While I'm here, I guess I might as well choose somebody, so I'll choose Iman. And what I'll do is I'll get rid of the scratch cat by just in the trash can above the sprite icon right here. Okay, so next what we'll do is we'll pick a backdrop. So just to the right, in the immediate bottom right corner, you can choose a backdrop. And let's see here. Let's choose blue sky, sure. So now we're going to program our sprite to move using our arrow keys, up, down, left, right. So in terms of left and right, thinking about math, that is using the x-axis. So positive numbers will move them to the right, and negative numbers will move them to the left. So if I take under motion a change x block, and what we'll do is we'll get two of those. We'll get one for right and one for left. And the left, what we'll do is we'll just make it -10. Under the control blocks, we're going to, events block, we're going to tell Scratch when we'd like these things to happen. So I'm going to choose the when space is pressed, put that above the minus, and I'm going to choose another one, put it under the plus X. And instead of space, let's just choose that left arrow, because minus X is left and positive X is right. Now, if we wanted to run that and use our arrow keys, you'll notice that I'm hitting the right arrow key right now, and I'm using the left arrow key right now. The next step is just to finish this off by adding two more of those when space key is pressed, and we'll go up and down, and under motion we'll be able to change, instead of X, we're going to change Y by 10 for up, and then -10 for down. Okay, so if I run that program again, now I have all four directions programmed to animate my character using the up, down, left, and right arrow keys. Hope that helps. Thanks.